Why do some videos explode online while others barely get any views? It's not luck, it's strategy. Today I'm pulling back the curtain of my complete video editing workflow, my favorite tips and the exact blueprint for creating viral content. No matter if you are new to editing or you have years of experience, this is your moment to elevate your craft. Forget spending hours editing without results. I will show you how to streamline your workflow, use pro techniques, and create videos that grab attention and keep it. So if you are ready to stop being invisible and start building videos that demand to be watched, this is the right video for you. Video editing isn't just about cutting clips and slapping on music. It's about creating an experience that moves people. But let's be real, most people overcomplicate this process. You don't need 10 hours of edit for a single video. And you don't need expensive gear to make your video stand out. What you need is a proven system. In this video I will cover 3 core ideas. How to optimize your workflow so you never waste time. Advanced editing techniques that make your videos pop. The viral video blueprint, my personal formula for content that wins every time. At the end of this video, you will have actionable steps to create faster, better, and more impactful videos. So let's start with your workflow. The first step to become an editing powerhouse is mastering the workflow. If your files are a mess and you're spending half time looking for clips, you're already lost. Start with a system that works every time. Here's what I recommend. Create folders for raw footage, music, sound effects, and exports. Use consistent naming conventions for your video files. For example, project name -date -shoot number. Few minutes of prep can save hours later. Learn your editing software shortcuts. For Premiere Pro, use C for razor, V for selection, Ctrl+Z for undo. It's like learning to type slow at first, but soon it's second nature. Save even more time with templates and presets. Use pre-made transitions and LUTs, color grading templates. Build your own templates for intros and lower thirds. This ensures consistency and speed across your all projects. See how easy that is. Your workflow isn't just about speeding. It's about creating headspace to focus on the creative side in the editing session. Now that your workflow is optimized, let's dive into the fun stuff. Advanced techniques that make your videos unforgettable. The first 5 seconds matter the most. Use these: bold visuals, a fast montage of your best clips, a clear message, text on screen, or a powerful voiceover. Music that grabs attention. Layer your visuals with sound and movement. Use B-roll to add context. Add subtle motion effects to static shots. Sync music to cuts for maximum impact. Transitions are your secret weapon. Match movement across cuts creates flow. Avoid overusing effects. Keep it clean and intentional. Here's what you have been waiting for. My viral video editing blueprint. This isn't a magic trick. It's a strategy rooted in the psychology and storytelling. Who are you making this video for? Research their habits, pain points, and preferences. Every great story has 3 parts: Setup, introduce the problem. Conflict, show the struggle. Resolution, deliver the solution. Pacing is everything. Cut faster for action-packed moments. Slow down for emotional. Use text and graphics to reinforce key points. If you have made it this far, you are already ahead of most creators. Now you have the workflow, the techniques, and the blueprint to make videos that not only stand out but go viral. The only thing that left is your action, my friend. Start applying these steps today, and I promise your next edit will be your best yet. If you find this valuable, hit that subscribe and like button. And if you want even more in-depth tutorials, check out my next video where I will break down editing hacks that will save you hours. So, stay sharp, tell your story, and I will see you in the next cut.